Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a column chart in Google Sheets. So here I've already have my sample data in Google Sheets and I'm going to make a column chart from this data. So you need to open the Google Sheet first and of course meet your data, and after that if you want to make a column chart you can just block the data that you want to make into chart. For example, I want to just choose like 15 names in here, and I'm going to okay go to insert and then click on chart, and after that the column chart will be automatically created just like this. And you can also put the column, for example, in here, and you can also make it smaller or bigger. I'm going to make it smaller like this, and you can also customize the column chart. You can click on this, and then for example I want to change the chart color, the border. I'm going to change it into white and then the background into black like this, or maybe other colors like so. And you can also make it 3D, and you can also change the fill color like this. For example, I want to change it into like red, and the line color like so. You can also change the dash type. Okay, so if you're done, just click on the chart editor and your chart will be created just like that. Okay guys, so I think that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.